Natural health benefits of strawberry fruit to our body and skin. Do you know what are the natural health benefits of strawberry fruit? What's the first thought that comes to your mind when you think of strawberry? A mouth-watering dessert of strawberries mixed with fresh cream? Strawberries serve more than just fulfilling the sweet dessert or snacks. It is packed with hordes of health benefits, making a nutritious fruit for mind and body. Eat this succulent fruit in its raw form or serve it as jams, syrups, salads, smoothies, wine, juices, and more. Strawberries are full of vitamin C, potassium, sodium and iron, as well as being low in calories. Not just delicious, a strawberry is also a great skincare additive, especially due to its mildly astringent properties. Strawberry flesh and juice is recommended mainly for oily skin to improve texture, minimize greasiness and encourage a healthy and more radiant complexion. The ellagic acids in strawberries appear to inhibit the growth of tumors or cancer cells. They are also a good source of salicylic acid that removes dead cells and clean pores. Strawberry helps in soothing sunburned skin, skin blemishes as well as discolored teeth. An alternative to placing cucumber on the eyes, place a sliced strawberry to reduce the puffiness. They are known to fight heart disease and provide a number of vitamins and minerals that support overall human health. By adding strawberries to your diet, we build a healthy immune system. In addition to various nutrients and minerals, strawberries are an excellent source of vitamin K and manganese, as well as folic acid, riboflavin, vitamin B5, vitamin B6, copper, magnesium, and omega-3 fatty acids. Packed with immense health benefits, strawberries when added to beauty recipes for skin exude magic. These homemade recipes made with this luscious fruit as main ingredient. Kiwi, cucumber, strawberry facial cleanser, blend 5 to 6 strawberries, 1 kiwi, peeled and 1/2 cucumber to a smooth paste, not a runny mixture. If the mixture is slightly runny, add bit of oatmeal until the potion is of proper consistency. Apply to your face and neck area with gentle massage to exfoliate the skin. Let the paste settle on your skin for 10 minutes and then rinse well with warm water. Your skin will feel fresh and clean. Strawberry face mask. Combine 2 or 3 ripe strawberries with 2 tablespoons of finely grounded oats and 1 drop of lemon essential oil to form a paste. Spread the paste onto the face and neck area with fingertips. Relax for 20 minutes. Rinse off with cool water followed by a toner and moisturizer. The pieces of strawberry seeds aid in the skin treatment